if you have online business and getting visitors on your website. But, still, it's not converted into customers. Because most of the customers do not get instant response. That's why your sales can be dropped by 70%. Now you don't need to worry about that. This is how Gtchatpro will help you to start conversation with every new visitor on your website. As compare, visitors will engage with your website using live chat by 3 times more. By adding Gtchatpro, you can boost up your sales up to 70%. Not only this, it comes packed with a variety of features. Like real-time live chat, file sharing, location sharing, voice message. All your conversation will be safe in your chat history. Callback facility. Connect with email, Facebook, WhatsApp and chat messages. You can also collect visitors' info like email, phone number and location in one place at single click. Later on that will help you to convert your leads into actual sales. How to get started? It's as easy as ABC. You can get it in 29 seconds. Start growing your business with Gtchatpro. Thank you.